Blizzards brought to you by the CBS. Hello and welcome to the CBS. I'm Megan the Snowflake, Katie the Frosty, and here's Matt the Yeti. So today we are talking about blizzards. Mint brownie, M&M's double fudge cookie dough, strawberry cheesequake. Wait, that's not right. Matt, seriously?
Haha.
No, folks, today we are talking about the natural disaster. So, enjoy.
Thanks, Megan. This is the Donner Party. The Donner Party was a group of 87 Americans that set out in a wagon train to California, but ended up trapped in the snowstorm in Sierra Nevada. Casualties resulted in starvation, exposure, disease, and trauma. Many of the survivors turned to cannibalism to survive. Here is some pictures of the routes that they took and the states that they went through. They started in Independence, Missouri, and ended in Johnson's Ranch or Sutter Fort.
Creating an enormously high voltage significant to lightning. It was about 3 gigavolts. Perfect. That was it.
Here is a plaque of everybody that went on that trip. There were many other historical storms, but here are two of the biggest ones. The Storm of the Century. November 25th, 1950. 383 deaths and $70 million in damage. Where it happened? Eastern U.S. Then you have the Superstorm. March 12th, 1983. 270 deaths and 2 to 3 inches per hour.
Thanks, Matt. Okay, so the scientists who study blizzards are known as synoptic meteorologists. These are meteorologists who study large-scale weather systems. Jim Cantor is a great example. He's a modern-day meteorologist storm tracker whose desire is to protect people and show them how dangerous that the weather can be. Now, blizzards occur when strong winds of at least 35 miles per hour combine with either falling snow or snow on the ground to reduce visibility to 1/4 miles for at least 3 hours. The measurements for blizzards, however, are a little more tricky. There is generally no scale for blizzard strength. They can be classified after they're done, and we know how much damage they've done or how disruptive that they were. Scientists estimate that the winter of 1847, the year of the Donner Party, was actually pretty normal, but it was because there was a lesser amount of moisture in the air, which creates dry powdery snow and causes it to have more loft than depth, that made that winter so harsh. Nowadays, there are warnings to alert us to oncoming storms. A blizzard warning will be issued with large amounts of snow, 35-mile-per-hour winds, and visibility that is less than 1/4 miles for at least 3 hours. When conditions are unexpected, a winter storm warning or a heavy storm warning may be issued. Lastly, a popular question scientists have about blizzards is how to predict more about them while they are actually happening. Now, back to Megan with the details to prepare yourself.
Thanks, Katie, and now how to prepare for a blizzard. Seeing as blizzards create driving conditions like this, it is very unwise to drive through a blizzard. If you are driving, you need to have emergency supplies and defrosting things like antifreeze and ice removal equipment. Also, if things get bad, try to pull over and wait out the blizzard. During a blizzard, the best way to wait it out is in your house. For your family to be properly prepared for a blizzard, you need to have emergency supplies like canned food, water, blankets, and a source of heat. You should avoid candles. Also, you need a radio to receive updates and warnings about the storm. What to do during a blizzard. During the storm, stay indoors, monitor body heat, conserve energy, and keep informed about the storm. Changing the world. Blizzards have really no effect on our world.
Thanks for watching. This is CBS, and I hope you learned something new on how to get ready for a blizzard. Good night, and please, don't resort to cannibalism.